You can find a link to play this activity down in the description of this video. This activity helps students create simple sentences with their AAC device. To do this activity, you'll need a computer so the student can see the activity and a communication device. On each slide, you'll see an animated picture. Also, on the bottom of the slide, you'll see a script that contains a sequence of the buttons that you need to press to get to a word. There's a lot of repetition in this activity, which is perfect for helping the students learn where the words are. They don't have to be able to read, they will be learning from motor memory. So I'm going to pull up LAMP so that you can see how this activity works with the app. So this is the LAMP app on my iPad. And again, the student just needs to be able to see this activity and have their communication device near them. So with this activity, we're just building I can sentences. So the first sentence is I can, and what do you think this is? A slide. I can slide. So let's find that on our communication device. So we look for I, and again, remember you can follow the script. I, and you press that twice. And then for can, you use this button. And then down on the last row, can. And now slide. A lot of action words are using this button. So we'll press here. We'll look for slide. It's on the fourth row. And then you press it again. Slide. I can slide. Let's let the app say the whole sentence. And then encourage the student to also say it. I can slide. Then we clear. Then we go to the next slide on the activity, I can swim. So again, we go to our app and we find I. And then can was a little weird, but we get to do it again. So now we're going to remember where it is down in the last row. Can. And swim. We get to look in that action words again. We look for swim and swim again. Swim. Great. And so always have the app speak the whole sentence. I can swim. And have the student repeat it as well. I can swim. You just go through all of the sentences, having the student repeat, I can drink, I can laugh. And before you know it, they'll have another group of words that they'll know how to find on their app.